He had to eat macaroni for a week, but this is what I heard.
Now you can cook the Korean standard noodle.
Really? Nice.
But it takes 30 minutes. So.
Cheers.
Cheers, my man.
Good afternoon. So today I'm going to be doing, I guess, a food challenge. I'm not much of a cook. I eat better than I cook. Today I'm going to try to make a trending food item that's been trending in Korea, and that is 불닭볶음면 sam. Like, that's the name for it. And basically it's, pretty sure you know the spicy ramen. It's this, but wrapped in rice paper. We're also going to be having a ramen challenge, I suppose. So I have this spicy one that I will be wrapping. And this came out recently, I believe. It's the jajang 불닭볶음면. It's the 불닭볶음면, but jajang, what is it? Jajang flavor. This is the original spaghetti, which is pretty good too. Oh, also let me know in the comments down below which one you prefer. Do you prefer like the stove version or the cup version? I actually like the stove version better. I believe it's just fried shrimp. We are going to finish this as well. This is so good, by the way. There's like an indent inside. That's how much water you put in. So there's like this spot right here. You have to hold this side and then drain the water out. Do you want to use that cup? The cooler cup?
나 상관없는데.
느낌이 있잖아.
아니야, 나 스폰서십 받고 싶은데.
Sponsor?
Coca-Cola sponsor.
Okay, so we are done. Well, I'm done making the food. I reheated this and I got all this. We have some kimchi today.
이거는 백김치.
Kimchi.
White kimchi. But it look like a yellow, but it's 백김치.
Yeah, it's really good though. And it has, yeah, all that good stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. So she made like this noodle.
It's gonna get all soggy and stuff.
Yeah. 빨리 먹어야 할 것 같아. 지금 already takes a lot of time.
어떤 거? 30 minutes 지났다고?
따뜻해?
아니야, 나 할 수 있어. Cheers.
Cheers, my man. Welcome.
잠깐만. appetizer 있어.
That's tender.
Yeah. probiotics.
Why we have to eat that one?
소화. 소화하면서.
그래? I cut my hair.
맛있게 드세요. Oh, he had a haircut today.
Yeah. It's good?
좋아.
Okay. I'm gonna try this one. This is a new version of 불닭볶음면. Added like jajang,
맛있겠다.
black beans, paste.
김치.
Okay. 먹어보겠습니다. 맛있을 것 같은 느낌이네.
맛있겠지? 어때?
Nowadays I have a diet now. I do the diet now.
다이어트 한다고?
It's very tempting.
맞아, 오늘 우리 치트데이지.
We cheat days. Actually, I start the cheating days from Friday, so 2 days. 2 days. And then my lady made this noodle, so let me try it. Yeah. It's good. It's good.
어때? 매워. 어때? 와, 이거 나 진짜 궁금했거든.
Why are you so popular?
몰라, 쌈 유명하잖아. 그 라멘 쌈.
Nowadays so many people do it. Wait. Sticky rice paper.
맛있어.
맛있어?
진짜
먹을만 하겠네. 근데 이거 하나 먹을게요. 짜파게티 with the rice meat. 추이한 느낌이 플러스 된 거예요. 짜장면 flavor plus 추이.
How is my cooking?
It's good. It's good.
Okay, out of 10.
Now you can cook the Korean standard noodle.
Really? Nice.
But it takes 30 minutes. So.
Ah. 30 minutes.
More than that. I
그거
guess.
너무 한 거 아니야? Okay, so my cooking out of 10, how many points?
It's good.
Out of 10 points.
Out of 10, it's like 9.9. It's good. I just is it good? It should be like on 10, but it takes a little bit less. It's 9.9. 안 추워? I'm cold.
그래도 how generous?
How generous? 아니야, no. It's good.
Generous.
That's standard.
When I was in high school, I took culinary arts,
Clean. Oh, okay.
a cooking class.
Okay.
And then we were making scrambled eggs, and I almost burned the school down.
Scramble egg.
Yeah, because we had a team.
You just cooked the scramble egg, but you just spun down
Wait,
the
wait,
building.
wait. Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. We had a team, right? I think there were 3 people or 4 people.
Oh,
But I'm not really good at cooking,
okay.
so I told them I would just wash the dishes and maybe like seasoning and stuff like that. And then one of them was busy, so they couldn't really like make the egg. So then all of a sudden, 갑자기 I was like making the egg all of a sudden.
Okay.
그럼 like 타는 거야.
Okay.
The smoke alarm went off,
Alright.
and there was like steam, like fog, or
Oh.
what is it? Smoke coming out of the egg.
Oh.
And then my cooking teacher told us to for me to turn off the stove
Oh.
and
So?
and move the pan. This is very important. Move the pan
Move the pan.
from the
That's
fire.
important.
Yeah, but I was in such a shock. I was shocked.
Okay.
그래서 그거 안 들려. 왜냐면 I'm just thinking about the egg. It's
Okay.
burnt. So she told me to so I turned it off,
Okay.
and then she told me to move the pan away.
Okay.
But I didn't do that. But then she did it for me. And after that, she yelled, or she like scolded me, and she told me,
Oh.
"Why didn't you move the pan away?
Oh, yeah.
If you move the pan away, it's gonna stop cooking." I was like, "Oh yeah, you're right." Well, I was in such a shocked state. So I almost burned down the school.
I have a similar the memory back in my school.
What is that?
It was like in middle school. I mean, the elementary school probably. The first year of the elementary school. There's a firefighter alarm machine, you know. The red, the rectangular, the box, the red one. There's a button, If it there's a fire, someone has to push that button, so that everyone know we have to get out of school. And then I was waiting, getting the food at the cafeteria. I was really wondering. I was very, very curious about that button. Suddenly, I don't know why I did it, but I was what's gonna happen if I push that button? I was really, really wondering. Okay. I was thinking, and I talked to the boy, my friends. He was really told, what's gonna happen if I push that button? It looked very tempting. And he said, oh, do it. Now I was push the button myself. And it's really hard,
Really?
I cannot push that button because there's it's covered by glass or something, so I cannot push myself.
You mean you just have to open it, 아니야?
No, just push it.
push it, okay.
So I couldn't do it.
Okay.
So I asked him can you do that for me? And then he do it. And then the whole building, and the whole building. I think it's not whole building, but the cafeteria building start the alarm, fire alarm, boom, boom, boom. Was really, really, really very exotic experience, yeah. And then everyone tried to get out of the a cafeteria. Even they eating some people have the breakfast. I think probably lunch.
If it was me, I would take my lunch with me.
You know, I'm just watching my friends push that button. You know.
And then
Actually, I'm not the one who pushed the button.
But after that, what did you do?
That was like a freezing like.
You froze.
I just strongly remember the moment that my friends pushed that button, and so the alarm is like comes out of the building.
Did you get in trouble?
No, I don't think so. Just teachers figure it out probably. That's my interesting story.
How about you? You started work. 그거 얘기할 수 있어?
Yeah, I started work.
How was that?
Very confidential stuff, so I cannot say all the detail, but I can say like roughly. The company's the security policy is so strong, very bold, so I cannot use my camera. Even after making contract like if I say something about like the company the information, some technology stuff.
Okay.
I might be fired and sued.
수까지?
They're gonna sue me.
Because you signed the contract.
Yeah. It's been like a month, I guess, since I entered the company. It's been a month, I guess.
그러네.
First month is about like the program, a training program. So it's not like I'm really working at the company. So.
Okay, so when he was doing his training program, can I say it?
Mm-hmm.
The last few days, they did yoga for 2 days, 맞지?
Yes.
They did yoga for 2 days. Okay, so he was doing yoga, and then they were like doing a lying down position where they had to like breathe and focus on meditation and whatnot. The yoga teacher said it was break time, and then my back was turned against him, so I didn't see him. But like the music came on, and I was like, CK, he wasn't saying anything, so I was like, CK, it's break time. But this is what I heard.
Oh, you know, that means like the program is works. You know, that program makes me like feel like cozy. So I slept. You know, like 8 hours per day for 2 days, which is 16 hours. That was torture actually. I don't understand why they planned like that for 2 days.
I understand like maybe like an hour each day. 근데 좀 진짜 hardcore이다.
Well, if we do the face to face or go to like certain place, and everyone do it. Probably I can do it. Do the online is not really good actually.
Do you remember the first time when I cooked for you?
Yeah, the like a macaroni. Is it macaroni?
맞아.
There's pasta one too.
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese. I said like I really wanna have like American style mac and cheese, and then she said, okay, I can make it for you. And then I prepare all the like stuff, but I don't really know what kind of ingredient they use, so I bought a lot. And then I was waiting for until she finished the cook. Then she said she said, can you help me? And then when I opened the door, like there's so many macaronis, you know.
In the pot, I made like 10 servings of macaroni.
No, not 10, 20. For 20 people.
And then he had to eat macaroni for a week.
For a week, I just eat the macaroni for 1 week. So I don't really eat macaroni anymore.
I really feel bad. I just want to tell you that.
No.
I really feel bad about that.
It was fun. She said like very strongly, I can do it for you. And then we put the cheese a lot, you know. The sliced cheese, or we put like a 10 or 20, but still no flavor because there's 20 people like a macaroni inside. There was a hilarious.
라면 맛있게 먹자.
She cooked too much today too. You know, we usually eat just one pack of the ramen a day. She cooked two. I think probably she did it 4 of them, right?
아니요. 이거 1개, 2개, 3개.
3개, 4개.
아니 그거 다 요구야.
You sure?
Yeah.
This is my mom's kimchi, red kimchi, and 김장 kimchi. It's good.
김장 김치 뭐예요?
김장김치 is it's pretty much same kimchi, but we just made a kimchi for like a winter.
Usually in August.
Yeah,
No,
probably
October.
October. Yeah, October.
October쯤.
We made a like kimchi, and we trying to kind of like at the time we got making a lot of kimchis, and then we try to survive, you know, during the like the winter season. That was a kind of Korean culture, because back in long time there's not enough food in Korea, so we kind of saving the food. That's why Korea people eat a lot of kimchi. We can buy kimchi whenever we want. So
근데 homemade kimchi 짱이야.
yeah, my mom's kimchi is so good.
The camera keeps turning off because it's high
I think
temperature.
she better to change the camera. So
그거 아니라 I took too long to cook.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
다 먹었어?
No?
내 거는? Which one is your favorite today? 라멘 3? 3 라멘?
어.
당연히 골라지.
No. My favorite 라면은 당연히 그거지. 그거.
어떤 거?
You made it. All of them.
묻히지 마.
어.
너 you want the 3 라멘? 맞지?
아, 사실 별로인 것 같아.
별로야?
이게 안 것 같아.
솔직하네.
솔직히 이거는 약간 좀 이상한 맛이다.
근데 if you eat this, I prefer with 불닭볶음면.
Okay, that's better. Yeah, that's better.
With the 짜장, the 짜파게티
아,
약간
좀 그래.
좀 그래? 좀 그래.
뭐
근데 치즈랑 같이 먹고 싶다.
스페셜 포인트가 없는 것 같아.
먹방사는 진짜 맛있게 먹었거든.
사기야.
자기야. That's why you have to taste to know it. 맞지?
Yeah.
왜 이거 진짜 맛있어.
It was good. It's good.
I recommend that.
Recommend that. If you guys already tried the 불닭볶음면, try this one. It's more like a good one. I like this style, like spicy and good, you know. Really do not eat like the half of the like shrimp. So.
I feel bad.
Wow.
Bad.
Yeah.
몰라.
You eat like a body. Why you feel bad?
아니라 texture.
사실. 훨씬 좋은데?
And it scratches my mouth inside.
아, 그럴 수 있어.
맞지, 맞지.
불닭볶음면 먹방.
맞습니다.
불닭볶음면 먹방이었어요. So anything you wanna say?
구독 해봐.
구독과 좋아요 안 눌러줘도 됩니다. Don't push it like don't click the 좋아요, thumbs up, like subscription. Don't worry about it. But if you guys push the like, click the like that one, we're gonna love it. Okay. Thank you.
같은 줄 알았는데.
다시 할게요. 구독과 좋아요 부탁합니다. 부탁해요.
Now for dessert. Oops. 오빠 설거지 할 거지?